Good morning, everybody. I am back with another video. I gotta make this fast as far as getting dressed, chugging this nasty apple cider vinegar because it is raining bad. So I have to be at work at 8 o'clock, and I gotta drop off my high schooler at school because there's no way that I'm gonna have her wait outside in the rain for the bus. And then get home and drop off the little one in elementary. So it's gonna be a busy day. Usually when it's not, if the weather's fine and it's not raining and, you know, my oldest, they take the bus. Hopefully it will calm down because it's raining like really hard. And she goes in like really early. I think that the bus drops them off at like 6:30, 6:40 or something like that, because school starts at like 7. So that's the only reason why I'm taking her. And then my other one, Nicholas, he they open the gates at 7, so that way he can go and eat and things like that. So I'm gonna hurry up and try to get dressed and take this drink because I'm not gonna do a shot. I'm just gonna mix it with drink, but with water. So I'm just gonna chug it as fast as I can. So let me start hurrying up because it is 6 o'clock and it's crunch time for me. Moment of truth. I'm getting ready to just do one of these spoonfuls because I think this is like enough for a shot. Because man, when I did 2, holy crap. So I also appreciate all the tips and tricks you guys have given me. So what I'm doing is I'm adding it in water, and yeah, and I'm gonna chug it as fast as I can. So I have water here and it's like a full, I want to say like here it goes kind of. So I didn't add lemon. I'm just gonna go ahead and just chug it, and then after this I'm gonna go and wash my mouth out because I had no idea that you need to rinse out your mouth really well after you drink this. So let me chug this and rinse out my mouth. This was so much easier. So much easier than yesterday. Yesterday was like epic fail. I got a little bit left. Definitely can do that. So now I need to finish getting dressed because like I said, I'm on a time crunch. It's raining and I gotta drop off children's to school and then hightail it to work. So let me, because you can see I didn't even brush my hair, I just picked up my hair. So let me get some shoes on, rinse out this mouth, and yeah, and start dropping off kids. So be right back. Yep. Let's go. Get in the truck. Bye, baby. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
Have a good day. Oh, my baby. Okay, so I am at my local Walgreens here by my job. I'm gonna go and stop by and get something really, really quick. Only because I know that I have been like fiending for something sweet. So I'm gonna see what they have that is Lower carb, I don't know, we'll see what I can find, but I gotta make it quick because I have like 20 minutes to get to work, which I'm actually right by my job anyway, so it'll take me like 5 minutes. But still, by the time I get the stuff, check out, get in my car, and head on out, yeah. So let's go inside to Walmart and see what I can find. Okay, so I am at work. I didn't get a chance to really record inside the store because I was like literally trying to do a mad dash, but I ended up picking up these Atkin bars. They're supposed to be 3 net carbs, 1 gram of sugar. So we'll see if this is good. Hopefully this will be like it that will like calm that sweet craving that I have, especially when after I eat. I always, even before I started dieting, I always crave something sweet. So hopefully this will be the ticket. And yeah. Oh, and then I found these really cute, I found these really cute little Avengers shirts. $1. That is too cute. And I found this little green polo shirt for Nicholas, also marked down $1. So let me take my ass into work. It's raining. Well, it's starting to sprinkle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hurry up and hightail it. I got a big old thing of water. Oops. So this is a quart, which is 33 ounces of water. So my goal is to try to slowly increase my intake in water. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my box, because over here at work, some of these, and I'm gonna say a bad word, so you know, sorry if there's anyone watching that's a minor, but over here at work, there's bitches that like to take stuff that's not theirs. Like, I have bought creamer, I put my name on it, tell me why it's gone. And I didn't even get to use it because I hardly drink coffee. So, you know, I was like, that's ridiculous that I have to, you know, I can't even have my own stuff because people want to take my stuff. So, yeah. So I'm opening this, taking this inside with me because I refuse to take that inside because who knows, it'll probably be gone. Anyways, let me go ahead and get this workday started, and I will be back during lunch and we'll chit chat. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime now and it is around 12:15. So I'm getting ready to break my fast. I'm almost done with my water, so I'm gonna refill it. Somebody brought more Mexican food. So this is grilled onions, chicken, fajitas, guac, pico, cheese, and lettuce. So that's what I'm gonna be eating right now for lunch. It's gonna be a short lunch because I have to go to the other clinic. One of the girls went home or called in or something happened, I don't know. All I know is that they asked me to go in and close over there, which sucks because I wasn't supposed to be over there at all today, but it's okay. I mean, that was like one of the things that in order for me to come back here, because honestly, this position that I'm in right now was pretty much kind of like created for me because there really wasn't any openings. So I'm more of the girl that, real quick backstory, I've been with my employer for about before I left, I was there for like almost 3 years. And I started off in one clinic, and then they were expanding, and I ended up coming over here to this new one. Pretty much started from the day that it opened up until, and I left when Harvey hit. After Harvey hit, that was like pretty much it for me because Jocelyn was like really sick and I just couldn't take it no more. It was too much stress. So fast forward 2 years later, I message the office manager, and I'm like, hey, you know, I'm thinking about Jocelyn's doing good, and I want to go back to work full time. Do you guys have anything? And she's like, I don't know. I think we may. I'll get back with you. Well, that lasted that was almost a month before I actually started. So, because the doctors were on vacation and things like that, so I didn't get to hear from them till almost a month. By then, I started interviewing with other companies. And it was funny because they called me back right when I was getting, I had 2 job offers. And they called me back. And they're like, yeah, we'll totally take you back. You know, do you want to come back? And I'm like, yeah. I always loved the place that I worked at before I left. So I honestly wanted to come back. Didn't want to interview with anyone else. I wanted to just come back. So I had to turn down 2 job offers when they called me and say yeah. So part of the thing was I may be flip-flopping back and forth, which is okay. They're gonna try to keep me at the same location that I was at for the longest, but it's just right now trying to, make the room. So what I do is, I check in patients, check out patients, I verify insurance. It's not just me, there's other people that does all this stuff, but that's pretty much what I do. I verify, check in, check out, scheduling, referrals, prior auths, things like that. So it's a lot of stuff that we do. So one of the girls either called in or left. So I'm having to eat and head out over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my food and drive out to the other clinic. Hopefully the weather cooperates because it's been gloomy all day. But I'm hoping that the weather cooperates because I hate driving in wet roads. But anyways, prayers that I make it safe because it is kind of wet and it's supposed to be raining all day. So let me finish this food and make my way up to the other clinic. Alright, so I am finally back home, and it's been a long freaking day. I am so tired. I have a headache. I'm tired, and I think it's because of me trying to detox all this stuff. And honestly, I'm not even hungry. I don't want to eat nothing right now. Nothing sounds good. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to warm this up. Hey, baby, you look awesome. I'm going to warm this up. Nicholas is wearing his shirt. Let me see. Come here. Come here. Let me see. Say, you look awesome. So that's the shirt. He's wearing the shirt that I got him for $1. So I'm going to warm this up. I know it's better to make your own bone broth. So I'm going to start getting my life together and make bone broth and freeze it in the freezer, so that way I can just do that for the days that I feel like the way I feel now, where I just don't want to eat anything. Now also, if you guys have any tips or good recipes for any kind of low carb desserts, snacks, things like that, let me know, because I love you too, Sugar Bear. This was not that good. I mean, it did satisfy the craving of something sweet, but it had that aftertaste. So I didn't really like that. So if you guys have any awesome recipes that you want to share with me, please comment down below. But I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a night because like I said, I'm tired and I have a really bad headache. And I just want to just take a shower, warm this bad boy up, and call it a night. So that way I at least have something in my stomach. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a great one. And I'll be back soon with another video soon. Talk to you later. Bye.